Little things. Little things.
We come away for the weekend again without Charles. We seem to do everything without Charles these days. Never good. But at least he knows his parents are still living their lives without him.
We just only film without him. That's all.
Oh, what's that?
I said no, we don't. We just only seem to film without him because it's easier.
Got 2 free hands when we film without him. So we are in Woodford. Woodford.
Chicken wings.
We're not in Chicken Wings. We're in Woodford. So we've come away for the GrillStock, which is barbecue festival with live music and meat. Anyway, so we've come away and we're just going to work out what we're having for dinner as always. Food is very important on our list. Domino's. So if we're going to have a weekend of junk food, we might as well start tonight. Elouise is busy unpacking for us.
Looking at old pictures of Charles.
Looking at pictures of Charles. We've only left him about an hour ago and she sat on the bed just reminiscing about the good old days.
Look, he's tiny.
Let's have a look. It looks like he's got a good tan in there though, but he was under the UV lights, weren't he, for a while. This is how you do dinner when you come away. Bit of telly, pizza, garlic bread. How's that going down? Is that nice, is it?
Go away.
Alright, I'm going to put this away and tuck into some dinner before Elouise polishes it all off. Yum, 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 yum. So we managed to have a lie-in until, what time was it, about 10 o'clock this morning? 10 o'clock this morning. So, although we missed the little guy, Elouise was spending the evening looking at pictures on her phone. Yeah, it was nice to have a lie-in and we feel pretty refreshed and ready to go. So we're just going to go and get a taxi and get ready to head off to GrillStock. The weather isn't as we'd hoped. We thought it was going to be nice and warm, but instead I'm having to wear jeans, t-shirt, jumper, and I'm taking a raincoat with me as well. So we'll see how we get on today. So we reached the outside, but it looks like one of the most civilised queues I've ever seen. I reckon we're going to go and have a little wander and see if we find somewhere to get a bit of breakfast before we go in there, although that's all food and stuff. We're going to get a coffee somewhere?
Yeah, it'd be nice.
Very civilised, rainy, no sunshine. I think there's more orange jackets than there are punters, but let's go see if we can find some breakfast. Punters? What's wrong with the word punters? Punters. Elouise has got her spray tan on.
Shut up.
We found somewhere for a bit of food.
Oh, cinnamon puffs, chocolate twist.
Let's have a look what they got going on.
Oh, American style pancakes. Nutella marshmallow toasty.
Sounds like we're sold, doesn't it? We might not make it to the festival, might be in here all day. Get in there. So that took us about an hour and a half to have.
Did it?
About an hour and a half to have a cake and a cup of coffee. That's the problem when you go to little independent places. We're just on our way now down to the GrillStock and we'll see how the queue's doing, see if it's dropped down. We've seen loads of people walking past as we're sitting in the window. Elouise has got hiccups. Finished? Whee! We're in. We've just been given some goods. Little bag. Looks a bit sinister. But apparently that's our free merchandise and booze and stuff. Quite empty at the minute.
Okay, GrillStock. We're about to start our next live performance with a band all the way from Nashville.
Look at that.
We want you to come over and give them some love.
3 people.
And a massive round of applause for the brilliant play, Golden Eagle!
Apparently that's the biggest crowd they've played to. Well, we've just done a lap and had a look at all the food.
Gonna go around later and get some videos of that, but right now we're gonna go and look at some of the music, I reckon. It's starting to fill up a little bit as well. There's a few more people now. Come sit down and eat a bit of food, and we've been greeted by Elvis.
Sing it now. Viva Las Vegas. Come on, Mark. Viva Las Vegas.
Grabbed ourselves a couple of beers, but it's filled up now.
This is for all the old schoolers. This was my first hit record in 1981.
So we're just making our way around to get to the front of the stage where the chili eating contest is going to be happening. So we'll go and see how that goes. There was a break in music for a second. Levi Roos has been on and gone. So now we're just waiting for the contest.
Okay folks, I'm just going to run you through the rules of the competition for your sake and for these guys' sake, okay? What we're going to do is you're going to get given a chili. Now, the way the chili eating competition works is they have to eat that chili right down to the stalk. Okay, for as long as they do that, they will qualify for the next round. 2, 1, eat! This is a jalapeno. This is a simple little pepper. It's only 3,000 Scoville units, which in chili terms is not very hot. How's it looking, Carla? Are you struggling already? Have you? Hang on. Do I need to check the bucket? Lean back. Oh! Carla, you're gone! Ladies and gentlemen, statistically, I am wrong. Carla, I'm afraid, has rejected the chili into her bucket. Right. Are we all done? Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of round 5. Please give these guys a round of applause. I do need, is that your chili, sir? I'm going to need you to finish that right now. I'm literally going to give you 10 seconds. The crowd of 100 and turn your applause. Eat, come on. I'm going to give you 5 more seconds. Right down to the stalk, John. Right down to the stalk. Oh! John, if you want to continue, you need to eat what you've just thrown up. Well done, dude. Has anybody here heard of a chili called a Scotch bonnet? On my mark, 3, 2, 1, eat! Oh, John! That's one of the most disgusting things I've ever seen, but well done, dude. Well done indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, please give John a round of applause. Oh dear. Eileen, did you just do what I saw you do? You just drank. That's part of the rules. Matt, I'll give you the option. Eileen said she didn't know she had to drink. What's your thoughts on it, buddy?
She didn't know she
I
could
was
drink.
always raised to be a gentleman, you know. I'm gonna let the lady have another go.
All right, Eileen. Matt, if you want to level the playing field, I'll let you take one sip of yours. It's all cool. Okay. Guys, count them down. So 3, 2, 1. You know what to do. Oh, this is so much fun. So, Matt, you've done both of them in one. Impressive. Arlene, did you do them both? Yes, you have. Ladies and gentlemen, they have both eaten 2 ghost peppers. Arlene, are you going to carry on? What are you going to sing? Yeah? Are you sure? Arlene, stand up and take a bow when you're done. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner of GrillStock London 2015 Saturday is Matt. Matt, please stand up and take a bow.
So we've just been in the tent watching some of the music, and I reckon one of them I've seen, I'm pretty sure, in the Woodhouse Life. So I'll have a link, I'll stick the image up in the corner, and you can recognise maybe someone in the picture. I'm sure it's him. Just stopped for a bit of dinner. Elouise went with the chicken and I gone with the ribs. It's looking pretty good. She's demolished most of it. It looks like the sun's just setting over the main stage. You're right, you can get in it, there you go. So we're going to call it a night from here. Had enough music, too much coffee, too much food. We can go back to the hotel.
Hotel motel.
Hotel motel.
Hotel motel.
What are we doing?
We're going to reception because we can't get in our room.
Why can't I get in our room?
Because the key card's not working.
Key card's not working. Maybe they saw the mess we made in the room last night and they've evicted us. Well, I don't know what Elouise was doing with the key because I tried it and it worked straight away. So, or maybe you're too magnetic, my dear.
That's your man.
Maybe you're.
Daddy.
Maybe. Betty Byers. See you tomorrow. No nice. No nice. No nice.
Nice.
Starting off with breakfast of champions. Oh look, I've got a guest fry in there as well.
How's that for you?
It's all in the beer.
Lovely.
That's good eating though. Good eating. Right.
Is that nice?
Elouise is just telling me she's missed Charles more than she thought she would. What are you missing?
Oh, miss. It's our baby, don't I?
I don't know if this. You might have to get taller.
Why?
He's trying to get us both in shot.
Oh, I'm sorry. How about if I walk like this when we go out?
Doesn't he just put on a silly voice?
Okay, how about if I walk like this when we go out? Is that better for you?
That's how most of the girls in Essex walk anyway. I don't know what you're talking about.
Hello. Home, James.
Don't even know what that is. Alsatian. That's plot our course home, Captain. Right, well we've come away early on the Sunday. It was a bit warm, but wanted to get back and see Charles, but also check on our little pets and make sure everyone's okay. And the fish are okay. Let go, sucking on his glass, so he's happy. Got up at the back there, Stripe the turtle, and coming out, ooh, musky. He's coming through the little nose. The only problem is, we've got 1 million baby fish up here, so we're struggling to find space for them. It's all good and dandy being a house husband, but anytime you go away, got loads of washing to do. So it all stinks of barbecue and grill. So we'll get all that chucked in, get that nice and dry. Got a bit of sunshine, so washing will probably be done and dusted by tomorrow. Someone's home.
Hello.
Charles.
Charles, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Hello, little man. Have you missed us?
Hi. Is that home? Yeah. Oh, Mummy's tired. What are you doing?
Mummy's giving you hiccups.
You're kidding. Every bloody time.
Nice one, Charles.
What did you
Everything back to normal now. Charles just had his bath in the sink. And we've got his bedtime routine going on. So we've got all the lights off, the music on, and he's just having a little bottle. And we just changed his bed. And we're going to say goodnight to him. Little guzzler. Night night, Charles.